Alright, today we're changing the rear struts on a Ford Expedition. Probably also the same on the Lincolns. Very easy. You got 1, 2, 3 top nuts, they're 15s. And then one bottom nut bolt. This is a 27 bolt with a 30 nut on the rear. Go ahead and take that back one off and this one off and leave one loose, but do not take it fully off. Go ahead and remove your bottom bolt and nut. Then go ahead and remove this one. This is a 27 with a lock nut on the back, and then this arm will fall down. This strut will be loose. You go ahead and take your remaining nut off, pull the strut out, install the new strut, and just put the nuts on. Don't tighten them down, leave them kind of loose, because that'll give you some free play to put this back in. Go ahead and put this one back in first, and that'll make it a lot easier to install, instead of putting that one first and then trying to get that one in. And that is the hard way to do it. So install this one first, then you should be able to push this one into location. If not, you can use a jack to help you, and then slide that bolt through, and then go ahead and tighten your top nuts. Put your wheels back on, let the car down, let all the weight on them, and then tighten up these big bottom ones. The reason why you want to do that is so there's no premature twisting on the bushings in these arms and in the strut bushing down here, and that'll save you from some premature failure of the bushings. Because if you go ahead and tighten them down, then they're going to be in this position, and when the weight on the vehicle sets in, they're going to be twisted all the time. So you want to make sure that they are loose. Let the weight of the vehicle on it, let it down on the ground with the wheels on. If you need more space underneath the car, put a block or something underneath the wheel so it sits higher, or you can put jack stands underneath this to keep it up off the ground, and that will put all this weight on the struts. Although it's better if you do it here from the leverage point, and then let it down, then tighten those bolts up, and then you're done. Not much to it, pretty easy. Just a couple things to remember. Put that one in first, then that one. Tighten the big ones, tighten the top ones after you get that in, and leave these loose till the weight of the vehicle is back on it, and then tighten them up. And that'll save you, like I said, from premature bushing failure. Hope this helps. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.